Hey, stick around for this episode of The Challenger Lives, because we're marking some stuff off the list, baby. Woo! What I've done is I've gone in here with sandpaper and I am just sanding down the edges in this area to kind of get a little more clearance for that hard line fitting to slip over. I don't know if you can tell, but we are on there. It is a little bit snug, but I just put a little WD-40 on there to help it get on there better. And that is a win. What are you doing? So we have officially installed the fuel line, baby. Dudes, I know it's just a stupid fuel line, but it's a big deal to me. Next, we're gonna go after license plate light. Gonna just try and clean this up a little bit, you know? It's kind of crusty, rusty. You can buy these, but I think it's like 50 to 75 bucks or something. Said I just bought a little rebuild kit, new lens, gas kit. See what kind of bulb is in there. Might replace it with those fancy LEDs. Looks pretty good. Came out pretty good. We'll get a little LED in here and that'll be mighty nice. Whew. Check it out. Got my balance. It's been sitting in this box for way too many years. Do you have any parts like that? Or is it that just me? Parts in boxes, parts in boxes. Hey, if you got parts in boxes, get them out. Get them on the car. Let's do it. Let's do it together. I'm encouraging you, hey, watch this video, watch it all, then go work on your car. And also, I got something else. I got something else. Where is it? 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 Oh, baby. Guess what that is? Guess what that is? It's a bumper, baby. That's a bumper, baby. So now's the moment of truth, though, because when the box arrived from, you know, UPSer, good old UPSer had a big old footprint on top of it, you know, and I get it. I used to be a old UPSer driving that big old brown truck, wearing a brown suit, looked like a Snickers. Yep, that was me. So let's hope it's not all banged up. Don't tell my wife I got the kitchen scissors. Oh God, why'd I get the dull ones? Please don't be banged up. Here we go. Inside, who cares? Ooh. We done good. UPS, you done good. You done good, UPS. I appreciate you. It ain't banged up, there ain't dents in it, or at least where there's not supposed to be dents. Guys, chrome won't get you home, but it sure makes you look good if you're sitting on the side of the road. Woo! Like I said, the suckers, woo, been sitting in the box for a few years. And it sure is nice to have it out and then finally go on the car. And you know what? Would you be mad at me if we didn't paint it? We just got it on there because it's just metal. We got to get it on there because we care about getting this thing started, don't we? We care about that. So I think it's gonna do it for this episode of The Challenger Lives. We got our shiny bumper, our valance, and rebuilt our light over there. And dude, like, we got our fuel line in, and that is sick. It's a win. It's a win, you know? So thank you so much for liking and subscribing. I'm gonna take you guys on a little trip for this next episode, so look out for that. Dude, I appreciate every one of you following along, commenting, liking these videos. It's huge. It's huge. Challenger lives. At least we're trying to make it live.